This overview is about managing the process and decisions relating to successful market or user community release types for products, services, or systems during the development cycle. It is also relevant to new market entry. It is essential that a proper market or user feasibility study is completed in advance of any significant investment, which engages with and includes customer or user input. There are many techniques for this, both agile and traditional. Significant investment in time, resources, and money only starts once the business case has been approved that demonstrates high probability of meeting or exceeding target objectives and returns for the product, service, or system. Once the business case is approved, work can start to create a minimum viable product, as was defined and checked during the feasibility phase. The first phase involves building a minimum viable product prototype with all the core functionality that can be demonstrated or used by a number of friendly early adopter type customers or users who confirm their needs are satisfied. Based on iterative type sprints with these customers, the product specification is refined and prototype adjusted to more reflect the market requirements. To proceed to the next stage, the gating criteria for the verification stage must be achieved. These criteria will have been predefined to assure that the core needs of the customer or user groups have been produced. Also, any core assumptions in the business case will have been initially verified, not just for the product, service, or system, but also its pricing, packaging, and distribution characteristics. On passing gate 1, we now complete the validation phase, where we build the features which enable and enhance the customer experience while satisfying their functional requirements. It is here that features can create differentiation and advantage against competing alternative offerings. During validation, initial release usability, packaging, and distribution are also checked by being piloted by a ring-fenced set of customer users who are representative of the overall market. Again, before we proceed to further development and the next release phase, having pilot tested with a small number of representative users, we must meet the Gate 2 validation predefined criteria. When we enter the confirmation stage, which is a pre-general release, in this stage we fine-tune the offerings to meet or exceed its specifications and put in place a supporting infrastructure that will scale. This is normally limited full release to a larger group, usually a defined market segment, which confirms the offering meets requirements, is scalable and supportable, and is likely to achieve its target objectives and returns. On meeting the Gate 3 confirmation criteria, a full market general availability release can occur.